Hey there, welcome to Doing Things Dan's Way. So if you own a Mazda 3 and you want your lights in the back to look more like this than like this video is for you. So as you can see, I've already replaced all the bulbs on this side of the car, meaning the backup light, the brake light, and the turn signal light with LEDs from Oxido. And this is the old school incandescent bulbs. So I picked up 3 boxes of bulbs. Let me show you what they look like. So for the brake light, we have this replacement here. Covered in LEDs all around. It looks amazing, and you can see how bright it is. So one of the major advantages of LEDs is not only are they a little bit brighter, but they also turn on much faster. Look at the turn signal over here versus the turn signal over here. You notice the turn signal is just on and off, and it's bright. It's going to get attention, and when you hit the brakes, it'll be the same way. So the brake light bulb looks like this. The turn signal actually has a fan on top, and that's to keep it cool because it has a built-in resistor. So the hyperflash issue where normally you have to add these big resistors to it, you don't have to with this bulb. It's all built in one here. It has the power resistor, it has this little fan that spins when the LED is on, and it'll stay cool, no problem. I've been using this for years on my Highlander and on my C-Max over there. And then the backup bulb. Now, if you have a backup camera, this makes a huge difference in how well at night you can see and how far you can see on your camera. If you don't, same deal. When you're looking backwards, you can see so much brighter. Look how much brighter this light is here versus here. So let's get these bulbs installed. You don't even need a single tool. All you need is your car key. So here on your car key, push that little button and you pull out the key, right? This is going to be the only tool we need. You're going to take your key and you're going to put it in that little slot right there. Just wedge it in there and give it a twist. And this whole little panel right here is just going to pop off. Just yank on it. Pop the panel off. This gives you access to the backup light. Okay, looking at it from the other direction here, this is the bulb itself. All we're gonna do is grab the outside of this and give it a counterclockwise twist that far, and then wiggle it loose and it pops right out. Now the bulb here we can go ahead and touch because we're gonna get rid of it. And let's grab the new one. Now in handling bulbs like this, generally speaking, you don't wanna touch the filament or the bulb itself. You wanna only touch it by the base. So we're just gonna grab the base, and this can go in either way. I'm gonna put it in there until it clicks. It should go bury all the way inside just like that. And then we're just gonna line the tab up with a little slot, put it back in and turn it until it clicks, and we're done. That's how easy it is. Let's put that cover back on. Start it at the top there. Done. Okay, I found the easiest way to get in here is just to simply sit in the back. There we go. First step is take off this cover. And then take a look up inside. You'll see that there's 2 bulbs that are pretty easy to get to. Okay, here you can see there's 2 bulbs. The one on the left here is the turn signal, and the one on the right here is the brake. So all we're gonna do is grab each one individually and give it a little twist, and it will slide right out. And this is our turn signal. Pull that bulb out, and then be careful not to touch these LED segments. We're going to take the new one and push it up in there until it clicks. This one has a little fan on it. Now, I'll put that back up in the hole. Give it a little twist until it clicks. And we're good to go. Now let's do the same for the second one here. This is the brake light. Take the new one here without touching the LEDs and snap it on and put it back in the hole. There it goes. That's all there is to it. Back out here, we're going to take the little cover, put it back on, and we're done. Do the exact same thing on the second side, and you're done with the whole car. Now the only difference with this side, of course, is it has just a simple little door that opens up. There is the jack for raising up your car, and up inside here are your 2 bulbs, the exact same way. And there we have it. This car is fully upgraded in the backside. We've got LEDs over here, got LEDs over here. They're super bright. The backup lights are going to be amazing. So links below to all these bulbs, of course, and other videos here for doing the front of this car. So headlights, fog lights turn signals. Subscribe below for more content like this as it comes out as I work on sparkles here. Until next time, guys, be blessed.